how to check in flights online from mobile app. So first we download United Airlines app, and so we're gonna click on it now. Since I already booked my ticket, I'm gonna press check in now. This buttons. And so it's telling us to wait, so we have to wait for a few minutes. Then the next page we have to fill our phone number and our email address. And then we press continue. That should take a few minutes, so we have to wait. So we're gonna click on close here. And then there's like a edit frequent flyer details, like an add lap infant or custom wheels here. And then you press continue. So we're gonna check if you wanna check your bags, or if you don't have bags to check. We're gonna press I don't have bags to check. And so I read all these policies and I understand them. So I press accept and complete check-in. And then so I got to wait. So now check-in is complete. And so now we could share our boarding pass, or maybe share our flight status. Or you could share it in WhatsApp or in email. That's it. This is how you do the check-in, and check-in is complete.